How to fix Instagram bio link. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram bio link easily and fast. Or what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that it will take you to this page. Go to the apps again. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll down like this until you find Instagram. Click on it. Click here on the force stop and then go to the notifications management, disable it and then go back, click on the storage. After you click on the storage, now click here on clear data. After that click on clear cache and then go to the data usage again right here. Make sure to enable all those options and then go back to the notifications management and enable it again. That's it guys. Very easy and simple as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.